We've all heard of black holes. These mysterious cosmic giants with gravitational forces so strong, not even light can escape. They captivate us with their mystery and sheer power. But what if you could make one at home? Is it even possible? Or just the stuff of science fiction? Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of black holes, why they're so difficult to make, and what it would theoretically take to create one right in your living room. To understand what it would take to make a black hole, let's start with the basics. Black holes form when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. But here's the kicker. This process requires an immense amount of mass and pressure, on a scale much greater than anything on Earth. When stars collapse, they create temperatures of billions of degrees and pressures that no home lab could ever hope to match. Theoretically, creating a black hole requires compressing a certain amount of mass into a tiny space, reaching a density high enough to bend space-time to a breaking point. For instance, to make a black hole with the mass of a paperclip, you'd need to compress it down to an area smaller than an atom. Physicists have toyed with the idea of creating micro-black holes at particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider. These would be incredibly tiny black holes, forming for a fraction of a second before evaporating. But even this idea remains speculative and unachieved. The energy levels required are astronomical, millions of times greater than what a typical household could ever produce. Hypothetical methods. Could particle colliders help? If making a black hole at home sounds far-fetched, you're not alone. Physicists have speculated that by smashing particles together at incredibly high speeds, as we do in the LHC, we might momentarily create a black hole. However, this would require energy levels far beyond our reach and would only produce a black hole that's fleeting, lasting mere milliseconds before it evaporates due to Hawking radiation. Even if you had a mini collider in your garage, which, let's be honest, isn't possible, you still wouldn't be able to reach the required energy levels. And for safety's sake, that's probably a good thing. The risks of black hole creation. Let's imagine for a moment that you could somehow create a black hole. The dangers would be immense. If you made a black hole with even a tiny amount of mass, it would start pulling everything nearby into it. If it somehow grew, it could consume everything around it, turning your home, neighborhood, and possibly the Earth into a cosmic snack. Thankfully, creating a black hole in a lab remains only theoretical. And as fun as it sounds, black hole creation isn't something you'd want to experiment with in a home setting. Conclusion: the fascination and reality of black holes. So, can you make a black hole at home? Not really, and that's probably for the best. Black holes are cosmic phenomena, born from massive stars and extreme forces that we can hardly comprehend, let alone recreate. Their mystery and power remind us of the limits of our current technology and understanding, even as we dream of someday unlocking their secrets. But who knows what the future holds? With advancements in quantum physics and space exploration, our understanding of black holes continues to grow, bringing us closer to unraveling their mysteries. Thanks for tuning into Knowledge Hub. If you enjoyed today's episode, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic insights. Stay curious and keep reaching for the stars, even if black holes are best left in the cosmos.